is a religious function supposed to be, but it brings all communities together, all religious people together, which has been appreciated by none other than the Vatican delegation led by the Cardinal Tagle, Luis Tagle, who came as a representative of Pope Francis. He has so many other duties. He looks after thousands of dioceses all over the world, evangelizing churches. In spite of that, he has chosen to come here. What does it show? That Goa, and particularly this particular feast and the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, is, I think, a message of sorts, as is the theme here, to the human beings in this world, to humankind, that ultimately we all are one. We are God's children, and we should promote the goodness, promote happiness, and not be against each other in terms what you see today, whether you look at the polity of this country or whether you look elsewhere. Also, it is a strong message that if I may recollect, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had invited Pope Francis. Now I think it is a foregone conclusion. We will expect him to visit India sooner than expected, because after seeing the preparation of the collaboration between the state government and the church authorities in Goa, there was a special comment from Cardinal Luis Tagle that I will convey all this to His Holiness the Pope Francis. I think this will send a message to him and the urge to visit our great country even stronger. And I am sure that our Honorable Prime Minister will make it happen. And if Pope Francis comes to India, certainly Goa will be on his itinerary, which all of us are waiting for, all Goans are waiting for, irrespective of any religion. So I say this is a classic example of the classiest collaboration between the people of Goa, its government, and the church and the clergy.
Thank you.
Yeah.